1800s that changing social and economic conditions led to the emergence of dogs as companions, not just working dogs. Breeds were developed solely for looks, companionship, or whatever was stylish. Like fox hunting.
They became more interested in having a dog that suited them in terms of their appearance and making a fashion statement.
It was because of this preference for appearance as well as shifts in trends and changes in the environment that many cultural trends and hundreds of years later, breeds like the American foxhound, the Peruvian Inca orchid, and the Norwegian Lundhound have all but disappeared. And whether they are the foundation of our modern dogs, or a breed that simply didn't catch on, these rare breeds are still an important part of canine heritage to be cherished. For today's special episode, Dogs 101 has scoured the earth to find the rarest, most obscure breeds on the planet. And we start with the precious Puli. It's one of the most unusual looking dogs in the world.
It looks like a moth, a big, giant, moving moth.
There's no sight like seeing this dog run across the field. These cords are swinging all over the place. The Puli is a bona fide head turner. So rare that less than 150 Yorkie pups are registered every year in the U.S. Compared to over 60,000 golden retriever pups, show they were working on plains during the 9th century.
Got judge and shit.
Puli was originally bred in Hungary as
TV right now, look at him.
to herd the sheep.
The Puli's herding style is very different from many other herding dogs. The Border Collie uses eye control to stare down sheep, and an Australian cattle dog will typically nip at their heels. But a Puli uses assertive, bouncy movements and a high-pitched bark.
They are dogs who have a lot of drive and a lot of intensity.
Puli come in solid black, rusty black, gray, and white.
Most of these dogs are black. There's only about 2% that come in a light white color. And the reason for this is simply because sheep respond better to dark-colored dogs.
Puli are incredibly fast and are able to change direction in an instant.
They're very agile dogs.
The Puli actually has great eyesight, despite what it may look like on the
See the
outside.
puppies?
And when viewed,
You see the doggies?
the body and legs actually
Go
look
get him.
like a square.
Go get him.
And most distinctive of all
Go
is
get
the
him.
weather-resistant red-adorned coat.
They have a very soft, plush undercoat.
Get that ass.
And as those two kind of tangle with one another,
Good boy.
they form these circular little cords.
So,
thank you.
Like
Come on.
blood lock.
So where's the marketplace?
Good boy.